Hello everyone. Here we start the practical numbers 9, and the title of this practical number 9 is Design Test Plan and Test Cases for Notepad application. So basically the test plan means it is derived from the SRS. So SRS means Software Requirement Specification, which is prepared by the test lead or the manager. So this SRS is prepared by the test lead or a manager. Okay, the main goal of the test plan is to include all the details related to the testing, such as what to test means which project is to be tested, when to test, how the test the project, then who will be the tester. Okay, so these questions are required, or these questions is important, and answer of this question is nothing but the test plan, and this questions answer is the means the test plan means it is a documentation part. Okay, so the test plan is often not updated, but if there is some new features or the changes is introduced, then it has to be updated accordingly. So the practical number 9, here is the we discuss the details of the design the test plans and test cases for the Notepad application. So basically test plan is discussed in the previous lecture, so which content is required for the test plan. In previous lecture we discussed for the WhatsApp application. So in this practical we discuss for the Notepad application. So these contents are the same for the test planning, and the test case for the Notepad application, this is the test case for the Notepad application. Okay, so these are the parameters for the Notepad application test cases, and first test case is the check the availability of the find option. Means here we check the availability of the finding option. If we search any content or any document in a notepad, so by clicking this find option, we search this document or finding this document to a notepad. Okay, so the precondition is the notepad should be open. Then the step is the click edit menu from the menu bar. Then input data is the click event is occur. Here after the clicking, the window option or window pop-up operation is opened, and for this window we search our important document. Okay, so the expected result is after clicking on the find option, the window should pop up, and actual result is the search box is available, then the status is pass. Okay, so the next test case ID is second, and this test case objective is check the navigation through the shortcut keys. Here we use the shortcut key that is the Control F for the finding option of the notepad. Okay, so the precondition is the notepad should be open, and then step is the press the Control F. If we press the Control F, then key event is occur, and the expected result is, which is the expected result after pressing the Control F should produce the search box. Okay, then the actual result is the find box is available, then actual result is matched to the expected result, and status will be pass. Okay, so the next test case is the third, that is the check the navigation through the shortcut keys. Here we press Control H button okay, so precondition is the notepad should be open, then input data is press key event occur, and the expected result is, which is the expected result after pressing the Control H should produce the replace button. Okay, then the actual result is the replace box available. If we any content is replaced to another content, then we press the Control H, and we put it on that for the this next replacement document content. Okay, so the actual result is same as the expected result, then here is the status is pass. Okay, then next one is the test case number 4, and the objective of the test case is check the navigation through the mouse. Then precondition is the notepad should be open. The step is click on the edit menu from the menu bar, and the find option is and the finding the option find. Then input the data is the click event occur, and the expected result is in the menu. By clicking the edit and the then find, the search box should be opened. By clicking the menu bar, there is one option, that is the find option, and after clicking the finding option, the search box should be opened. Okay, so the actual result is the find box is available, then the status is pass, otherwise it is fail. Okay, so this is the practical number 9, and if you need doubt in this practical number 9, please contact me. Thank you so much. Thank you.